through Microsoft Excel for beginners. Today, we are going to look at Microsoft Excel for beginners, beginning from the home menu. Now, in Microsoft Excel, as we all know, this is the title bar. This is the title bar. It is called the title bar because it tells you the title of the application you're working on, which is Microsoft Excel. You see that on this point? Microsoft Excel. Then on the other side, we have book 1. It is showing you book 1 because this document has not been saved. The moment you save this document, it ceases from being book 1 to the name you use in saving it. Okay, let's go ahead and save this file. We'll click on save. Then you type the name you want to use in Hello World and you press enter. You see, the name now changes from book 1 to Hello World. Now, let's get to the home menu. On the home menu, or before we get to the home menu, we have several menus in Microsoft Excel. We have the file menu, the home menu, the insert menu, the page layout menu, the formulas, the data, the review, and the view. Now, for each menu that you click, it gives you the ribbon. We are currently in the home ribbon. We have the insert ribbon. All of them are the insert ribbon. We have the page layout ribbon. We have the formula ribbon. We have the data ribbon. See that? We have the review ribbon. See that open? And we have the view ribbon. See that? So now let's quickly go back to the home ribbon. In the home ribbon, there is another segmentation, like a grouping. We have the clipboard. We have the clipboard this way. Then we have the font. What it means that everything in between these lines belong to the font. See that? Then everything in between this line belongs to the alignment. Then everything in between these two vertical lines belongs to the numbers category. Now everything in between these two lines belongs to style. We have the cells, we have the editing. It continues like that in all other ribbons. For the insert ribbon, we have the table, we have the illustration, we have the the add in, we have the charts, we have the spark lines, we have the filter, the links, the text, and the symbols. So it continues in that order for page layout, the formulas, the data, the review, and the view. Each and every one of them have their own groupings. So now, coming down to this point, we have the name box. It is called the name box. This is also the formula bar. And here we have the column header. And this place is the role header. The column header is numbered from A, B, C, D down to the very last one. And you can try that if you want. You can try that on your own. And why not put in the comment section the last column header that you have going down. So we quickly come back, coming over to the role header. This is the role header. The role header goes down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, down. So I will want you in the comment section to write where the role header stops. So now quickly, in Microsoft Excel, just like in MS Word, we have what we call, in MS Word we have pages, while in Excel we call sheets. A sheet is like a page in Microsoft Word. we can add more number of sheets, like more number of pages: sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5, sheet 6. Now the collection of these sheets is what we call a workbook. You see that? The collection of the sheets is what we call a workbook. We also have the vertical scroll bar and horizontal scroll bar at this end. We have the normal view, the page layout view, and we have the page break. Also remember that if you want to zoom, you can click on this one to zoom out your page, and if you want to zoom in, you click on this one to zoom in. Okay, let's see you in the next video. Please do well to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.